Hi there, it's Faye from Unravel and Unwind, and I don't really wear the same clothes all the time. I know this is probably about the 8th video that you've seen me dressed like this. That's because I recorded them all on the same day. So I am back with another MadeMe purchase. So I did all my Christmas shopping on MadeMe this year from independent artists and crafters from the UK, and I have bought a lot of stuff from a lot of different independent shop owners. So I'd like to say thank you to all of them for all their hard work. So today we've got another envelope. I can't remember what's in this one, but I know it's a box and it rattles, so I think it's some of the jewellery that I bought. So let's have a look and see which jeweller it was that I purchased from. Oh yes, Julie. Okay, so Julieannes Gems, this one. So this is my eldest daughter's Christmas present. Okay, so I only bought one of the items in there. Julie has kindly put in a pair of earrings to go with it as a thank you gift. So we've got a lovely magnetic catch box, and we have this absolutely stunning piece of jewellery. Can you see that? So it's a Swarovski pendant in peridot, and it is set in a Byzantine weave, silver Byzantine weave. Look at this. So it's kind of like it's a type of chainmail weave. It's quite heavy, and it's on an 18-inch chain. It's hand woven, and so are the earrings. Let's lift an earring out. And that is chainmail as well. Where's the camera? I've lost the camera. There we go. Let that focus. Is that going to focus? It's not going to focus. Absolutely stunning. Now, my daughter doesn't know that I've got this, but she actually shared this pendant on the MadeMe Facebook group, and was like, oh, if anybody wants to get me this for Christmas. And I left it quite some time before I actually went back and purchased it for her. So it was really reasonably priced, beautiful, handmade chainmail jewellery from Julieannes Gems. So I'll put all the details below, and I'd just like to thank her for the free earrings that came with it. So it makes a lovely little gift set. And I believe my daughter will absolutely, I think she'll burst into tears, to be honest. But that is gorgeous. Thank you so much, Julianne. Really appreciate it. Thank you for joining us on this series of Christmas present unboxings. If you have enjoyed the videos, please give them a like. If you want to see more of our content, subscribe to our channel, click the bell for notifications so that you know when we upload new videos. And if you would like some other content, join us on patreon.com. Thank you for joining us, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.